Hello, everyone. So, as a French teacher, I would like to recommend you guys one of my favorite workbooks I use with my students. So, this is called the Beginner French Workbook Level 1. They do have additional levels. You can actually find them on Amazon. I actually posted the Amazon link below in this video. So, if you really want to buy it, go for it. I will 100% vouch for this book as it includes a lot of pages of illustrated words and exercises. It has many, many new vocabulary words, over 30 topics, and the best part is it has sentence practice to build your speaking skills. Along with that, it comes with the English translation and the pronunciation as well, which is the best part. So we'll take a look inside how it looks like. So as you can see, this is the table of content and it has all of these. So it starts out with French around the world, le français dans le monde, les bases, basics, les nombres, numbers, les jours de la semaine, les mois de l'année, so the days of the week, the month of the year, the date, la date, les pronoms, the pronouns, the important French verbs such as être, avoir, and some other main French verbs that you'll see along. And I have spoken about that in my previous videos, such as aller, faire, and all the other important French verbs. And also the best part about this is that after each section, it has a sentence builder exercise. So it gives you the few vocabularies that you have learned and it will help you build some sentences. And then we continue with the second section, dans la maison. So you'll be seeing a lot of, house-related vocabulary, such as the furnitures, and then à l'école, at school, and then you'll be looking into possessives. And then we're going to be continuing with avoir, the other important French verb, le corps, the body, la maladie, sickness, les couleurs, colors, and then more sentence builder section with all these, this part. And then we're going to continue into les vêtements, clothes, les gens, le repas, people and meals, sentence builder with all of that. And then we continue into table, la nourriture, so about the food, les articles. And then we continue to more stuff, les fruits, les légumes, autres aliments, other food, le temps, les saisons, the season, the weather. And then dans la ville, in the city, les métiers, about jobs, les animaux, la nature, les transports, the method of transportation. And of course, more on verb, activities related with the verbs, les adjectives, that's really good. It's actually, the adjectives are very, very useful in the English and French language, so that's a really good one. And then more sentence builder with all of that stuff. And then finally, there's a full review and a final quiz. So with the conjugation of the verbs that you see here, and also the answer key. So we won't be able to look into each and every page as there are a lot of pages here and it will get pretty boring. But I would like to just show you guys a little bit how it works, this book. So as you can see, we start out with the alphabet, of course. As in any language, we'll start off learning about the alphabet, how about each letter sounds, the pronunciation, and of course. So for example here, the letter A is A in French, and as you can see, it has the pronunciation in the brackets. And then it gives you an example how it sounds using English word. So they did that for all the letters of the alphabet. And they also give you a really, really good explanation about the accents of the French language, such as the E accent aigu, E accent de grave, E circonflexe, and all the other good stuff, and the complicated stuff. And it has a lot of practice pages, so you get to practice writing them, and it is one of the best way of learning spelling of a word. Usually, I always tell my kids that one of the best ways of learning a new language, any language, is by reading and writing. And of course, listening. Listening is also very good. So this is just a little glimpse of how it looks like. And as you can see, it has the pronouns here, les pronoms. And it also, see, je. It shows you how it's pronounced in the English language. Il, the pronunciations like this. So really, really very useful. And honestly, anyone who's just learning the French language at any age will be able to like benefit from this book. So as I said, this is one of the first book that I use with my French beginners. And here we have the beautiful verb être. It's one of the main French verb. And usually when you guys start learning French, the teachers will start teaching you être and avoir. And then it gives you the meaning, it tells you what it means in English, and also it gives you the pronunciation as well. Another good thing about this book is, like I said, it's not just really for beginners, it's also for intermediate level speakers. It also gives you a little glimpse of the French conversation. So basically, it kind of, helps you out with a little bit of French phrases like salutations, greetings. So it gives you a glimpse of the greetings, so you can introduce yourself to someone in French by starting out with bonjour, salut, and then you ask them how are you, so comment ça va, si they actually give you the pronunciation comment ça va, and it also tells you that often you just say ça va. Okay, usually the French speakers, they just say ça va, like they ask it in a questionable way. So just saying comment ça va, they remove the comma and they just say ça va. So this book helps you out a little bit with, learning how to form some sentences and helps you learn how to speak French. And this is a really good explanation about les articles, the articles that we use in the French language. So in English, mainly it's just de and but in French, they like to complicate it with le, la, l'apostrophe, les, un, une, and des. So it gives the examples of when you use each of them, and also obviously with the pronunciation. And earlier I was saying how, you get to practice writing French, so sentence builders. So they give you some of the words out there and also give you the explanation, the definition, the pronunciation of it. And at the bottom, it's in English and they ask you to translate it. So for example here, she has a headache. So they're asking you to translate it in French. So in overall, this book is amazing. There are many books on the website, online, on Amazon. But honestly, once again, if you are starting to learn French, or if you have been already for a few months or a few years and you're still in the beginning stage, this is definitely an amazing book to, make your French better, perfect it, practice it. And honestly, I'm old school. I know that there's a lot of videos online that teach you French, including myself. However, like I said, I like it the old school way. It's always best to practice French, actually by writing it, reading, and using your own fingers to write it. So this is how you'll be able to connect it to your, brain and register it and remember it. It'll be more better for your memory. It helps you memorize it even better by just writing it. So overall, workbooks are one of the best ways of learning French. So if you are looking for a French workbook for yourself or someone you know, for even a child or even an adult, honestly, the age doesn't matter. This is one of the best books, I have ever come across, and I love it. So once again, if you guys want to buy this book, you can definitely use the link below in the video.